Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's really kind of upset. They've lost their zoom tool, which is the magnifying glass, and they've also lost the objects up in the menu. Two different scenarios, and it can happen. My suggestion on anybody that anything like this happen, shut Corel down, hold down the F8 key and restart Corel while still holding down the button. It'll come up and say set to factory defaults, and that should work. From his email, I think he's done that. So the objects is right up here in this gray bar. So I'm going to right click, customize menu bar, and reset to default. Say yes, there's my objects in my group and everything. Hope that helps. I just did a video on that the other day, but I thought I'd go ahead and add that. The magnifying glass or zoom tool on the bottom of your toolbox on the left, they're in order, and somehow you must have inadvertently checked it off because there it is right there. And I hope that helps. So I play with this all the time because there's some things on the toolbar I don't need. I don't need the connector tools. I don't want them cluttering up my toolbox. You know, I use pretty much everything else. So you need that. See, I've got outline tools unchecked because I don't use that. When I do my outline tools, I just hit F12 on the keyboard and that comes up. And you can change your settings to hairline in red, which I want. And then that way, when you draw something in from any of these graphic, the tool, the square, the polygon, the stars, it'll do that. Anyway, so killing two birds with one stone. I hope that helped him. And if not, let me know and we'll keep going deeper into it. Thank you for watching.